Hey guys, it's been a while since we made a video, but I figured now would be a good time because we just got these two little puppy Rottweilers. Well, they're not really puppies much anymore, but they're about 17 weeks right now, and I don't know, we've had them for about what would you say, 5 weeks now, 4 weeks, about a month almost.
About a month.
Yeah.
You see how lazy she is.
Yeah. And this one's what, Chewy, right? Yeah, that's Chewy. So we have two, and the first one's name is Chloe. I don't know where she's at right now.
She's under the bench inside.
And this is Chewy. She's actually the smaller of the two, just slightly. They eat like piggies, though.
You see?
Yeah. Oh, she's so
taking
lazy.
a shower and then she's so lazy.
So yeah, I had a Rottweiler when I was younger, and I really miss having one. So we decided to not only get one but two this time because we didn't want to leave we didn't want to leave this one behind. We were going to take just Chloe, the other one, and then she just kept popping up from behind, and we were like, you know what, we gotta take both of these if we can. So good old Chewy.
Hello everyone.
Hey Chewy, how you feeling? Huh? You like that? You like that, little girl? Okay.
See how she's sick.
They were so dirty. Filthy. Like a couple little farm animals. You and your sister. There, they can go back inside for a little while, right? Their little kennel there.
You see how lazy she is?
She'll rest well now. Good girl. Good girl, Chewy. Okay, we all done?
Yeah.
Hey, you. Feel better? Okay, try to stay clean for a little while now. In she goes so she can dry off and take a rest. Okay, Chewy? Okay, you take it easy now, okay? Take a little rest. See you in a bit, okay? Hey guys, been a while. Hope all is going well. We are getting ready to, well, we've kind of already started to give the Rottweilers a bath. We got two new puppies since we last made a video. They're about 17 weeks old. Two females, both sisters, and we've been just having a glorious time with them, let me tell you. We just finished the bath with the one. We'll show you a little bit of footage of that, and then we're going to start up on the next one, which is Chloe. Chewy had her bath, now Chloe, and yeah, let's see how this one goes. Okay, here's Chloe. She's up next. Once again, these two sister Rottweilers, they are 17 weeks old as of, I think, today. Yeah, today. They were born May 30th. So
What, today?
today is the 20-something, I don't know, September, last week of September, Tuesday. So I think we are exactly 17 weeks today. So here's Chloe. She's a little hellraiser. She's the bigger of the two, but the other one's catching up pretty fast. I call her the muscle, and the other one the brains.
The brains.
Each duo has to have one of each, right? You got the muscle for doing the grunt work, and then you have the brains for doing the masterminding. Yeah. So these two girls are really filthy, right, Chloe?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Especially Chloe.
Yeah, Chloe girl. She's growing fast.
Mm-hmm.
These dogs are eating about about 350 grams a day dog food, and I bought 20 kilograms of dog food here just a few weeks ago, well, close to a month, and it's pretty much getting ready to empty out. So we got to buy another bag. That's over here in the Philippines, we're paying about, for 20 kilos of dog food, we're paying about 3,100 pesos. So you figure, I don't know, close to $60 USD per month. So, and we're just getting started. I mean, they're just puppies. So, you know, hell, they'll probably, they'll eat a hell of a lot more as they get older, I'm sure. Right? Little piranhas eat like piranhas. Oh yeah, she likes that. So when you have puppies like this, you really got to take a lot of pictures and video clips and whatever, because they don't stay puppies for very long. So it's nice to look back on this kind of stuff when they get older and say things like, "Wow, look how small they were. Look how cute they were when they were puppies." Right, Chloe? Yeah, good girl. Yeah, Rottweilers are excellent dogs. So anyways, we these girls came from, where did they come from? What city again?
City.
Okay. Well, quite a ways away, huh? Nueva Ecija? Yeah, quite a ways away. So we paid about 22,500 pesos for the two dogs, plus 5,000 for including 5,000 for transportation. So 17,500 for the dogs, right?
Hello.
And 5,000 to have them brought up here.
And can you scoop one more?
Yep.
For me?
So in my where? Oops. Figure that's not too bad. 98. In 1998, I paid 500 in the States. I paid 500 for my female Rottweiler. So that was 25 years ago. I paid the equivalent of what, well, now would be 25,000 pesos, right around there. So, and these girls are really pretty dogs. Very happy with them. And their personalities are typical of Rottweiler puppies, playful and get into everything. Hey Chloe, I'm talking about you. Was that a kiss I saw?
Yeah.
Oh, good girl. Yeah, she's a sweetheart.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
So heavy.
Yeah, she's the big one. She's the heavy one.
Look at the other two. Take a video on them.
Baby
Look.
girls, yeah.
Jam! Come and see Ate. Come. There goes. Smiling.
Let's see. Here, I'll get it. Oh, you look so pretty. You look so pretty.
She's so heavy.
Go on. Yeah. Watch your head.
See, I can sit with them.
Yeah. Nice, clean bath. Good girls. You stay out here and dry off and take a rest. Well, Mom and Dad do the same. Especially Mama. She's been busy.
You see, she have some scabs.
Yeah. The way they play rough.
I think I need the comb for Chloe.
Yeah.
I will take.
Okay. Well, that's about it, I guess. They took their baths. Now they're gonna stay inside their little dog fort and take a rest.
Wait for mommy, okay?
But yeah, other than that, everything's been going pretty good. Got the dogs. Everything's on the up and up. So not much else other than we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. All right, take care. Bye bye.